Hi guys, it's me Souvik, and in this video I will show you how to edit in Photoshop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's open the camera raw filter. And then we'll go to load settings. Then we'll select all. Let's apply this preset on the next image. You can apply this preset on all images: landscape, portrait, street, food, etc. Every images. Let's check the before and after. Before and after look amazing. Same preset is being applied on all the images, so this is all-in-one preset which we can use on all our images, whether it be street, food, landscape, etc. Getting this preset free of cost, you just need to subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share this video. That's all. This preset can be applied on all the images, whether it be landscape, food, street, portrait, etc. Getting this preset, you just need to like, share and subscribe to my channel and upload the screenshot. Need to send the screenshot on my Gmail, which we will get in the description. If you enjoyed the video, if you did, press the like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. This is Souviks Skd signing off.